Can you use Zelle with Relay? Introduction. Can you use Zelle with Relay? This is a question that a lot of people have been asking lately. And the answer is yes. You can use Zelle with Relay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle with Relay and how to use it to send and receive money. I'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of using Zelle with Relay. Hook. Imagine being able to send and receive money instantly without having to worry about bank hours or fees. That's what Zelle can do for you. And when you use Zelle with Relay, you can get even more benefits. Context. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a great way to pay for things like bills, groceries, and gifts. Relay is a secure messaging app that allows you to send and receive encrypted messages, photos, and videos. It's a great way to stay in touch with friends and family, and it's also a great way to keep your business communications secure. Main content. How to set up Zelle with Relay. Download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your email address or phone number. Once you're signed in, tap on the Add Bank Account button. Enter your bank account information and tap on the Submit button. Once your bank account is linked, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. How to use Zelle with Relay. Open the Relay app and tap on the Zelle tab. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Tap on the Send button. The recipient will receive a notification that they have a new Zelle payment. They can then accept the payment by tapping on the notification. Pros and cons of using Zelle with Relay. Pros. It's easy to set up and use. It's fast and secure. There are no fees for sending or receiving money. You can use it to send money to anyone in the U.S., even if they don't have a Zelle account. Cons. You need to have a bank account in the U.S. in order to use Zelle. You can only send and receive money from people who have a Zelle account. There is a limit to the amount of money you can send or receive in a day. Conclusion. Zelle is a great way to send and receive money, and it's even better when you use it with Relay. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and easy-to-use way to send money, then Zelle with Relay is the perfect solution for you. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Zelle with Relay, please leave a comment below or visit our website. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.